Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss about another topic, that is municipal solid waste management and handling rules 2000. Basically, this rule was drafted and gazetted in 1999. That is 27th of September 1999, and the copies of this gadget were published in on 5th September 1999. And these rules may be called the Municipal Solid Waste Management and Handling Rules 2000. Save as otherwise provided in these rules, they shall came into force on the date of their publication in the official gadget, and this rule is applicable or applied to every municipal authority responsible for collection, segregation, storage, transportation, processing, and disposal of municipal solid waste. So here are the different types of definitions: aerobic digestion, authorization, biodegradable. What are these biodegradable substances? How we can collect? And here we will discuss about the municipal solid waste. Here you can see the definition that is here. The municipal solid waste includes commercial and residential waste generated in a municipal or notified area in either solid or semi-solid form, excluding industrial hazards waste, but including treated biomedical waste. After this, the responsibility of municipal authority. Every municipal authority shall, within the territorial area of the municipality, be responsible for the implementation of the provisions of these rules and for any infrastructure development for collection, storage, segregation, transportation, processing, and disposal of municipal solid waste. The municipal authority of an operator of a facility shall make an application in form first for grant of authorization for setting up waste processing and disposal facility, including landfills, from the state board or the committee in order to comply with the implementation program laid down in schedule first. The municipal authority shall comply with these rules as per the implementation schedule laid down in schedule first. And so next, the responsibility of the state and the union territory administrations are: the secretary in charge of the Department of the Urban Development of the concerned state or the union territory, as the case may be, shall have the overall responsibility for the enforcement of the provision of these rules in the metropolitan cities. The district magistrate or the deputy commissioner of the concerned district shall have the overall responsibility for the enforcement of the provisions of these rules within the territorial limit of their jurisdiction. So now the responsibilities of the Central Pollution Control Board and the State Board or the committees. The state board or the committee shall monitor the compliance of the standards regarding the groundwater, ambient air, leakage quality, and the compost quality, including incineration standards as specified under schedules second, third, and fourth. The state board or the committee, after the receipt of the application from the municipal authority or the operator of a facility, inform first for a grant of authorization for setting up waste processing and disposal facility, including landfills, shall examine the proposal, taking into consideration the views of other agencies like state urban development department, the town and country planning department, airport or air base authority, the groundwater board, or any such other agencies prior to issuing the authorization. Management of solid waste. Municipal solid waste. Any municipal solid waste generated in a city or a town shall be managed and handled in accordance with the complex criteria and the procedure laid down in schedule. First, the waste processing and disposal facilities to be set up by the municipal authority on their own or through an operator of a facility shall meet the specifications and standards as specified in schedule third and fourth. Here are the different schedules which are given under this rule, and the most important one is the schedule second, which highlights the different parameters. First one is the collection of the municipal solid waste, that uh, how the municipal party will collect the waste. Littering of the municipal solid waste shall be prohibited in cities, towns, and in urban areas notified by the state government. To prohibit littering and facilitate compliance, the following steps shall be taken by the municipal authority, namely organizing house-to-house collection of municipal solid waste through any of the method like community bin collection, house-to-house collection, collection on regular pre-informed timings, and scheduling by using bell ringing of music vehicle. Devising collection of waste from slums and squatter areas or localities, including hotels, restaurants, and office complexes and commercial areas. Waste from slaughterhouses, meat and fish market, fruits and vegetable markets, which are biodegradable in nature, shall be managed to make use of such waste. Segregation of municipal solid waste. In order to encourage the citizens, municipal authority shall organize awareness program for segregation of waste and shall promote recycling or reuse of segregated materials. The municipal authority shall undertake phased program to ensure community participation in waste segregation. For this purpose, the municipal authorities shall arrange regular meeting at quarterly intervals with representative of local resident welfare association and non-governmental organization. So storage of the municipal solid waste, storage facilities shall be created as they should be established and maintain storage facility in such a manner as they do not create unhygienic and insanitary conditions around it. So the transportation of municipal solid waste, vehicles used for transportation of solid waste shall be covered, shall not be visible to public nor exposed to open environment, preventing their scattering. Processing of municipal solid waste, the municipal authority shall adopt suitable technologies or combination of such technology to make use of waste so as to minimize burden on landfills. Last one is the disposal of municipal solid waste. Landfilling shall be restricted to non-biodegradable inert waste and other waste that are not suitable either for recycling or for biological processing. Thank you.